Hey guys, how's it going? Thank you so much for popping onto my channel for this really quick video. I just wanted to show you where I've been and why I haven't been posting videos. Look, I have decided to take upon myself, without bothering my dear husband, um, a complete renovation of my side of the basement. So this is me doing something I have never really done. I'm just on my first coat here, and I decided to choose a lovely soft gray to cover up this very bright, very dirty yellow that used to be here in the playroom in our basement, which is also my scrapbook room. I showed that to you in a previous video. And I got a lovely Collingwood gray. Let me grab this for you for a sec. From Benjamin Moore. This is the color that I went with. So it's Collingwood. Can you see that? Not really. There we go. So it's like a soft gray, a grayish. I had started out doing the same color that we have in my son's room, which is called, oh, what's it called? Wait, I can tell you what it's called. Hold on. Ba-ba-da, look at the mess. It is called, oh, Cliffside Gray. So I had originally had ordered Cliffside Gray, and as lovely as it looked in the can and as beautiful as it looked in my son's room, it just was not working down here. It was too industrial looking. It was like too cold, I guess. Like too blue gray maybe. So I had I wanted to do something like classic gray, or a bunch of my friends on Facebook said, gray owl, classic gray, or I can't even remember some of the other names, but the guy at the paint store could not remix this color to be that. So I ended up saying, well, then pick something that's just a nice grayish, and he did. And that is what I am doing right now. So this is a disaster. My basement is literally a disaster. So check this out. I am working, I had to put all these, my scrapbooks, I just pulled them away from the wall to paint the bottom here. But this wall here on top, where it's still yellow, is very damaged. And that's damaged from all the Velcro that I had on there. And I figured instead of just having, the gray, then a chair rail, and then some more gray, I thought I'm going to find something a little different. Let me walk you over there. I'm going to find something a little different so that I can put it on the top as kind of a feature wall. Hold on. I don't want to trip over myself here. This is terrible. Holy friggins. It is so messy that it's driving me nuts, but it's also making me want to do this quick. So this is what I found. I looked online and I thought, oh, fake or faux brick to just lighten it up with some white. So I got this from Amazon. It's called Art Home Wall Decor. And I'm planning to cut it this way, not the so where it says normal method, I want to do the creative method. And I mean, maybe it looks totally cheesy, but I actually think it'll look kind of cool. So it feels cool. It's puffy feeling. And I think it'll look cool. I think if I have this really long wall, this is how long it is. If I have this really long wall, with that feature on it, it might look kind of cool. And I think I've been polling the kids. I think we're going to put the couch that we're going to get. It's going to be one of those, like a modular piece, the ones that also turn into a bed, but you can put them where they're facing L-shape left or L-shape right, whatever. I think we're going to have it against this wall, and I think, okay, let me zoom you over. Hold on. Oh. And I think, wow, oh my God. I think that on that side we'll have a big screen TV. So let me just bring you back here. I don't know yet. Doesn't really matter. But that's where I'm at. Oops, now we're not focusing. There we go. And then the next thing I'm going to do, again, let me reiterate, my husband is more than capable of doing all this, but he also works like a freaking dog. So he works in construction. It's freezing out right now. I'm not going to bother him. I certainly don't want his weekends spent doing this kind of crap. I have the time right now. So I do it between, I'm a proposal consultant at work. So I do this kind of early in the morning or around lunchtime or when I'm not that busy with work or if I have to listen to a meeting, like a 1 or 2 hour meeting. If I have no reason to be sitting staring right at the computer, I can just put it on and I can do this stuff while it's on, like our quarterly, reviews from our president and that kind of stuff. And that's fine. I'll just have that on for the hour or two, make sure I'm listening. I have my buds in and I'll get this kind of stuff done. So that's where I'm at. That's why I haven't been scrapbooking as much or showing any layouts, because now I gotta finish this. I can't live like this, right? But anyway, I dug out a bunch of stuff that actually will work in this basement. So I had bought this, for example. Can you see that? I bought that at Winners like a year or two ago, just waiting for the perfect time and the perfect place. And I think this will be it because my furniture is all, let me just turn you over here. My furniture is all dark wood. So like the black brown from IKEA. And this is black, so that'll fit nicely. White, I want a lot of white down here. And also I'm going to go kind of cheap with the floors, but I want to go cheap and easy. I don't want this orange color, and in some spots, because this was the kids' playroom for a long time, there's a little bit of water damage where it kind of, they played down here. They drank and they ate, they did all that stuff. So it looks like in some spots that this floor does not look ideal. I think my husband thinks we should keep it, but I don't know. I think I'm just going to go with that peel and stick laminate in a whitish gray, just to kind of, again, make the room lighter. I don't know. Wish me luck, guys. It's a disaster, but an oasis in the making is what I say. And the fact that I'm not having my husband help me is making me very proud of myself because this is all stuff that I haven't done before. I mean, I've been, what's the word? Using that putty to fill in the holes and then I sand it before I paint. And I painted a lot, if you can see that. Again, the back wall, there is only one coat. You can see the yellow popping through, but I've done quite a bit and I'm quite excited. So the next plan is to move. Hold on, I'll do this again. The next plan is to move these shelves and to paint behind them. And that shouldn't take too long. And then I'll push my shelves back and declutter some of that stuff. Hey, while I've got you though, do you think these look ugly? Because I sure as heck do. I don't know if I want these visible. And these darn things, I don't want to change my storage solution because I love these. I think I've shown you several times. I love these and they work so well for me. But the way that they fit in here, ooh, wait a minute. Unless I pop out the back of these shelves. Hold on. I think I'm onto something. I was going to say the way they fit in here causes them to jut out like 6 inches. But hold on. Now that I'm thinking, you know how the backs of these are like that thin paneling? I might be able to literally pop those out, push these back, and get doors. Ooh. Okay, so there's one option. What option would you suggest? Because I don't like them showing. I really don't. Now that this is going to be more of a nice, more elegant looking room, I don't want all this. So let me know if you have any ideas. That would be fantastic. And I'm so excited. So stay tuned. Maybe I'll show a couple of short snippets of where I'm at. But I don't think you'll be seeing any layout shares anytime soon. So here's something to keep you occupied. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. And you guys keep me accountable. I feel like I want to finish it so I can show you what I get done. So have a fantastic day. Have a great week, great weekend, and we'll talk soon. Ciao for now.